Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. This is my first introduction video on YouTube channel. I really thank for my 3000 subscribers. They are always supporting me every time. Now I introduce myself. My name is Ashfaq. I'm 20 years old. I will working 8 years on mobile shop. 2 years before I create the YouTube channel, and now I have 3000 subscribers. MashaAllah. Beginning time 6 to 7 months not reach my channel, not coming to subscriber, not coming to views. So that time I decide quit the YouTube career. It's the biggest mistake for me. I don't know how to work in YouTube algorithm. So now I realized it's a very wrong. YouTube is a powerful. YouTube is a consistency is the key. Consistency is the most important for any work, not only YouTube. If you watching first time my video, watch my oldest video. I will clearly, 100% clearly, I will step by step I will explain every video. Every video I will step by step I will explain. My English not be good. So English is the most biggest problem for me. So first time I will start the YouTube channel, my first video, if you watch my first video, I can try to speak English. I'm very interested for that language. Come to the point. My YouTube journey, my YouTube biggest inspiration for two guys, seriously, two guys. One is the number one YouTuber, Mr. Beast. Seriously, my biggest inspirations. That time, 2 years before I sent the message for Mr. Beast, that time he was the 2 million subscriber. Sorry, 200 million subscriber that time. So I sent the message for Mr. Beast. Now I have a screenshot. You will definitely reach the 400 million subscriber. I will send the message 2 years before. Seriously, on the Instagram I will send the message for Mr. Beast. My another inspiration YouTuber and Mr. Who's the Boss, very talented guy. It's a very fantastic videos and editing skill. Definitely one day I will meet all of them, definitely. Now I have a 3000 subscriber only. Finally, I told you last one, can you please subscribe my channel, can you follow my channel every day? Definitely I will upload a useful video for you. Number one is brand new phone review, second one is gadget review, third one is mobile trick and unlocking video, fourth one is battery capacity, battery temperature video. I will upload a useful video for you. Thanks for watching my video. Can you please subscribe my channel? See you next video.